Daddy's right here.
Sad baby.
Do you want some pizza? Yes?
Sad baby.
Why are you sad? What happened? Daddy was sad? I don't think so.
Sad baby.
You're a sad baby. Oh, can you be a happy baby now? No happy? What makes you happy?
Daddy happy.
Daddy's happy?
Yes. Daddy tickles.
Daddy tickles you?
No.
Do you want to be a happy baby now?
No.
What are you?
1,
How old are you?
2.
2.
That's 2.
I'm 2? Oh.
That's 2.
Daddy's 2 also? Are you a happy baby or a sad baby?
Happy.
You're happy? Okay. Say pizza.
Pizza.
Yay. All right. Say bye-bye.